I was trying to figure out what it is, but it looks like it's a closing bureau. But is this just like a shipping box?
Yeah, the closing box. Usually, like the UPS guy would ring the bell or whatever.
What is this thing?
Pop.
Popcorn? I actually can't.
Here.
Should we bring it in the house?
How heavy is it?
What amount was that? What?
I don't know.
And if you want to return to sender, she's right here.
Happy birthday, Papa!
Thank you.